Oh, Leverage Nation. Who for don't know me from We Climb the Hill video? I hill that, you know. Yeah. On top of this we go. So yeah, man. That's a leverage, man. What's the name? Poochie. Alright. Danny?
Yes.
Poochie and Danny, okay. So we're gonna go to Bonds and check. Oh, the steam fish look. You see me? Hold on, this at oh me. Eh? No, sorry, brown stew, sorry. You see she correct me. You see? She's like, yeah. See it there? Nice. Lovely. Now mash up this one. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. The leverage, yeah. Good morning. Welcome to Leverage Boss TV. Don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And today we're in the St. Elizabeth side, around Mountainside District, place called Round Hill. Yeah, I'll just have to take a walk and make sure the place look like. Probably I see right now about 7 something, like 7:50 odd in the morning, and it's weird because the restaurant where they out the road, hopefully may catch it because them I say like them serve food until 9 and them have a space between, and then them say yo lunchtime, then like them not serve food right through, but we are safe we can at least catch it. But yeah, enough for talking. Look how the place there. Rural. Who don't know a cow see cow there? Right now I can't run in a Leverage Nation, so I'm better than a buck. Watch him. Give him a look. Man, them a deal with them. Man, deal with them farming, you know. All this over here, so. Yo! Morning. So them a deal with it. Yeah, man, Leverage Nation. I don't know, say. I say, come on, right now, I'm not tell you. Do them walking in a long while, say, good, you know? While I can show you the place, you know. Yeah, man, try to get that most as you can. Yeah, we are walk, man. Try to see if we can get some breakfast, you know. If not, I just one of them things there. Boy, breeze. Country place, man. Go country nice. Yeah, man. I don't know it, come on. Nice little walk here. In the road, you know? Yeah. Well, so we are going. Yo, yo. Go on, man. You know, see me I reach cause the gate me I walk going, you know, say reach farther than me think. Yeah. And I'm build up. Yeah, man. Almost reach the curb, you know. Well, not almost, but soon reach, man. You know, like less than 5 minutes may I reach there. Good exercise is still, you know. Yeah, man. Worse me for walk forward back. Let's see. One thing with country, you know, the goat them, on reflection. Goat them always take your place, you know. Yeah, man, nice. People them paint it all the color there because you don't know a red dirt settings, you know. What say if a look like it's a business. Yeah, but if you paint over every second, the body walks a life for a walk, you know that. Yeah, man, the people in beer house are build up, you know. Man, them productive in the bush, yeah. Cows. Yeah, man. And you see where I go and leverage nation? Yep. That. Sure, the walkway, man, and follow me. Eclips, leverageboss. I don't know. Follow me, I get breakfast, I'll take care of you. Yeah, man, one thing with the people them always friendly and them, yeah, different, you know. And I like say Kingston. Obviously I gotta have some people their own behavior and thing, but yeah, man. Most of the country people them friendly, man, in that part of rural area, yeah. Like it, don't you? Sensitive. Look at the trees and look at the mountains over there. Yeah, man. Oh, Leverage Nation. Who for don't know me from we climb the hill video? I hill that, you know. Yeah. On top of this we go. So yeah, man. That's a leverage, man. You know. I'll show you where I go on. People them a build up their house. You see me? I'm mad sitting, man. Walk where I walk and I exercise. Leverage. My dog got the leverage. Yeah, man, and people from RDF. You know, so we do the music. Only people ask, yo, to the music. Yeah, man, new music soon forward to, man. You don't know a thing go. But you don't know, say, when you are deal with music, what say if I independently, you know that go already. You know. So we have all heap of things pile up same way, man. At those time, you know, so we not stop to that. That's our hobby. Not every money can stop that, you see me? Tax, yeah. Tax then come up, I think. So yeah, man, leverage nation, that. Yo, morning. That. Good. Yo, you know, remember this, when I little youth, you know, just a walk by me and walk down that hill there. From up here, so, I ride bicycle from up here so already and come down that hill. And them time there, leverage nation, them time there, that hill here, with steeper. So if steeper go down, it is steeper, and them time them I'm kinda put little road and thing on it. Is me fix it up a little bit. But yeah man. It's a little bit steep and we are ride bicycle down here some man. Full speed man. All if you don't want ride full speed, press and press. Yo, walk on. There man, there I do one vlog, you see me? Yeah. Go down and stay, see man. Big up. Yeah man, so go walk down here some man. The bicycle, they on full speed. Me I say, yo. What me I do? And patrol, one thing, some patrol down here, so them never change. How much years? Much years and then never change, yeah. Much years and them never change. Some patrol down here, so I say yo, we are ride and we are go say yo, cause we are say yo, we are do it and I say who can ride a bicycle without no brakes, you know. And no matter of fact, one of them never have no brakes neither. You know. So if you slow it down with a few style and just delay it away and then kick, you see me? Yeah. But you know some man. So, them patrol down in the middle there. Them never change because water when rain fall it a go settle. Water go always settle this so it a always mess up, you know. But yeah man, see you steep sitting there man. Bicycle right down that's a dangerous thing man. If you all man if we catch it and the man no. Maybe it's a show behind when the man walk up the hill with the bicycle. You can't ride up the hill there. What's a female look like a big man too. Female you can't ride up them places with a bicycle man. You have to fit man. And normal sitting for ride go up a hill with that man. By the time you ride up, let's say you're hungry, you lose every energy. You see me? So you see? Soon reach the end of the walk on. Have a leader. Yeah man. Yeah man. So we reach our restaurant. We reach our restaurant and see if we're lucky enough, you see me? Yo. Yo G. Yeah man, so let's see. How much minutes now we are walk? Yeah, we're not bad. A 12-minute walk so far. So about 15 minutes, it's not bad. I mean, I'm head, I seriously like half hour, you know. I'm not even feel tired. I'm not even exercise. Maybe if I walk back up that hill still. I don't think I'm going to see me walk back up that hill, you know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. What do you say? See if I have breakfast. And see if I have breakfast. When if I have brown stew fish with some food. Yeah. That is it, Leverage Nation. Early morning vlog, you know, walk with me. You know how it goes. So them places there man. My dog place, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, so this road is mountain side. This is like round hill. So it's like a three-way. Wow, so yeah man, so you can see it. Look at turn out hill right there, so right hill to Marasta, Virginia. What go on? There, man.
Well, I'm gonna spot you.
Yeah, man, I know say I walk and a video myself, I walk come down and say, you know, say them have no food over there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And your place, man.
Nah, tell them, man, yeah, man. So just vlog me and vlog it, you know, and just see if them have no food over there, no fish no over there.
Good lemon. Supposed to, man. Today, it's Friday. Yeah, man, fish today, man.
Oh, so how are you going to Santa there?
Nah, black from one, come there. You know, right.
Yeah.
Where are they?
Yeah, clean. Yeah, man, how are you going?
Yeah, the vlog.
Yeah, vlog, me a vlog, you know. Yeah, come on to the road there. So how you going with? Eh? Oh? Oh, the glass. Oh. So how do you with?
Yeah, I go for this day.
Oh, yeah, I go for the work.
Yeah.
I'm there in a place, man.
You can't go.
Yeah, man. You don't know, you have my number.
Just say party.
Ah. Yeah, man. So you say a Black River side?
Yeah, Black River side.
I walk go in and see them. If you don't know, respect me. Alright. Yeah. Don't know our place, man. See it there? Gone, man. Just gone a Black River, you know? Yeah, man, you know the thing, go. So that chef and me I go. So Leverage Nation, remember for always like, comment, share and subscribe. And see if you have no food. Hello. Yeah, man. Morning.
Yes, we did. Hey, man. Sure.
Don't have anything?
Yeah, we have roast fish, roast sausage, roast whole fish, canal sawfish, butterbean and sawfish.
I'm gonna get the bronze to whole fish. I'm going to make put on the line.
Trap on that, right?
No, yeah, I record myself. No,
Okay.
Leverage Boss TV.
What?
On YouTube, Leverage Boss TV. You can see yourself. Now, I post it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yes, I don't know anything, go. So, on the bronze two fish. Yeah, so we'll make it in time. So, walk was a successful walk. Yeah. Yeah. You know anything, go. So we are there, so check in and see where we're going. Until we're done. And reach the food. Yeah, man. Reach. Look on the area. Yeah. Almost have car wash over there, so. Yeah, man. Yo. Mad thing, man. What's the name? Poochie. Alright. Danny?
Yes.
Poochie and Danny, okay. So we're gonna go to Bombs and check. Oh, the steamed fish look. You see me? Hold on, this at oh make eh? No, sorry, brown stew, sorry. You see she correct me. You see? She's like, yeah, see it there? Nice. Lovely. Now mash up this, but the only problem though. It's hot. Oh, I walk back up with this. But we figure it out. You know a leverage, man. Alright. So check in and see where I go.